What's going on, YouTube? My name is CLD Services. I'm going to introduce you guys to some of this bike stuff that I do. Start making a channel, let you guys see some builds that I did, some of the results that I get from it, and God willing, some more future builds to come and get my channel popping a little bit more. I'd like to give a shout out to all my cruiser riding buddies and my crotch rocket buddies, all of us on bikes. You know, we take that toll every time we get on the road. But we understand the lifestyle. We understand we love this. It's like a part of our culture that we just can't get away from. Embodies us. We love it. And I know we all like to do a little bit something different to our bikes because it represents us. So the future's going to bring a lot more videos. You guys will see a lot of different builds, paint jobs, powder coating, LEDs, audio systems, everything. And let's just have fun. Subscribe to my channel, please. I appreciate all the views. The more views, obviously, that I get, luckily, hopefully, the more sponsors I'll get as well. So, thank you.
I'm prolific, so gifted. I'm the type that's gon' go get it, no kidding. Breaking down a swish in front of your villains. Sitting on the steps, feeling no feelings. Last night it was a cold chillin'.